Psalm 46, from the Passion Translation. God on our side. God, you are such a safe and powerful place to find refuge. You're a proven help in time of trouble, more than enough and always available whenever I need you. So we will never fear. Even if every structure of support were to crumble away, we will not fear. Even when the earth quakes and shakes, moving mountains and casting them into the sea. For the raging roar of stormy winds and crashing waves cannot erode our faith in you. Pause in His presence. God has a constantly flowing river whose sparkling streams bring joy and delight to His people. His river flows right through the city of God Most High, into His holy dwelling places. God is in the midst of His city, secure and never shaken. At daybreak, His help will be seen with the appearing of the dawn. When the nations are in an uproar with their tottering kingdoms, God simply raises His voice, and the earth begins to disintegrate before Him. Here He comes, the Commander. The mighty Lord of angel armies is on our side. The God of Jacob fights for us. Pause in His presence. Everyone, look, come and see the breathtaking wonders of our God, for He brings both ruin and revival. He's the one who makes conflicts end throughout the earth, breaking and burning every weapon of war. Surrender your anxiety, be silent, and stop your striving, and you will see that I am God. I am the God above all the nations, and I will be exalted throughout the whole earth. Here He stands, the Commander. The mighty Lord of angel armies is on our side. The God of Jacob fights for us. Pause in His presence.